Hey, it's Friendly Kenny. I know I'm going to make a video in a few weeks because I am sick. I was sick and I forgot, but 2 weeks ago my spine got in this calendar. I was supposed to make a video, so... And here's a redemption of... Here's a redemption of people pursuing. And then the label that there. Okay, who's going to be playing this time? It is. We're not coughing, I apologize. I'm so sick. And it's the same people again, great. 15 turns is. Let me get her out. Him out, there's Astroblast. Where's the card? Okay, I don't know what the card is. It's probably on the floor, but whatever. Yes, and I have a list of games I haven't played up on the floor, so here's a card. I'll show you power 175. I'm gonna go first. Oh my god, I'm going first. Imagine that. Power 150, speed 160, luck 10. I didn't want to end up doing like 2 videos of that, so I said, why not combine them? What's the mind with first end up losing? So if I lose to pitch again, well, there's could be problems. I drink speed on support, so. Hey, I'm not going to do with the sports. I quit before my brother, he lost. But my grandparents lost the computer. Oh, it starts up there. And then we played this. We played story mode, lost the computer. This was not that good for me. Oh, battle game mode. Very for that. Oh, we haven't played a few. We haven't played Slapdown, Storm Chasers, or Freaker Monty. Be something good that way. Be Storm Chasers. What's my... Oh, stuff. I played with my friends before. Birthday video. Where was the computer, the Mac, and Blue Thumby. Peach, stop. I put it on easy too, so I am not that good at this minigame, so oh my god, stop. Yeah, my control's going to do very well because I'm still using the gray controller. I'll use the red and purple control with my friends. I think DK won this game as usual. She's just pushing everybody. Jeez. Yeah, I lost. Why? I won. Alright, it's at any point. I'm already in the lead. And I'm hoping to start. I got the points already, but 23. So I probably just land the blue space and won a game. So if nothing bad happens, I can get that start next turn. Whirled, yeah, points before. I kinda got the beat goes on. I am not good at this game, I know Matt is. Yeah, I'll try to keep up my schedule for this. I actually don't find this game that bad. What the heck? My controls are... Okay, my controls are rigged, I guess. I don't play Slipper Derby that bad, and my controls are... I'm gonna unplug my controller. So, but, God, how did I do? I did well friends before. I got like 3 laps. God, also because I was using this controller too, which is weird. Yeah, I'm gonna fail. So, also this is not my best Mario Party game. But God, come on. Oh, great. Yeah, not surprised. It actually took way longer than it needed to. We're gonna probably... He only has a coin too, so... I'm gonna look at 9 minutes of the video. So our next round, if I get a good number. Never mind that. Right. Yeah, I didn't take the arrow. Yeah, they're doing bad. And she gets the bank right. Okay, it's only 2 coins. I'm gonna actually play this game with friends, but this never ended up showing it, and sure enough, Peach won. Just avoid Peach at all costs. Jeez! Come on, Mario. God damn it, Peach. This game has some favorite Peach. I got the end it's only 15 turns, so it won't be that bad. And he wins. It's 5 points, right? These people in the bank. Probably just cut off with the minigame. And she's someone named Magic Lamp. Okay. Yeah, I turn off game exclamations too. She gets a reverse mushroom and a... Let's see what it is.